Welcome back to Short Stories for English Learners. In today's story, we'll follow a little girl and her lost balloon. This story is a great way to improve your English listening skills while enjoying a fun adventure. Stay with me until the end to learn some useful new words and phrases. Let's get started with the story. The Lost Balloon. One sunny afternoon, a little girl named Emma was walking with her dad through the park. She was holding a bright red balloon that her dad had bought for her at the park entrance. Emma loved her balloon. She held it tightly and watched it float above her, dancing in the gentle breeze. "It's so pretty," she said, smiling. Her dad laughed and said, "Yes, it's beautiful, just like you." As they walked further into the park, Emma saw an ice cream stand. "Daddy, can I have some ice cream, please?" she asked excitedly. Her dad nodded. "Of course, sweetheart." They walked over to the stand, and Emma pointed to her favorite flavor, strawberry. Her dad reached into his pocket to pay, and as Emma took her ice cream, she accidentally let go of the balloon string. "Oh no!" Emma shouted as she watched her balloon rise into the sky. It floated higher and higher, moving with the wind. "My balloon!" she cried, her eyes filling with tears. Her dad looked up and said, "Don't worry, Emma. Let's follow it and see where it goes." Emma wiped her tears and held her dad's hand. Together, they started walking, keeping their eyes on the red balloon as it floated through the air. It moved over the trees, past the swings, and towards the lake. "Do you think we can catch it, Daddy?" Emma asked, her voice hopeful. Her dad smiled and said, "Let's try our best, okay?" As they walked near the lake, they saw a group of ducks swimming in the water. The red balloon was now floating lower, almost touching the surface of the lake. Suddenly, a little boy on a bicycle saw the balloon and shouted, "Look, a balloon!" He pedaled quickly towards it, but the balloon floated up again, just out of his reach. Emma laughed. "It's playing hide and seek," she said. Her dad chuckled. "Yes, it is. It's a very clever balloon." The balloon floated higher and drifted towards a tall tree. Emma and her dad ran after it. When they reached the tree, they saw the balloon caught in the branches. "Oh no," Emma said. "How will we get it down?" Her dad thought for a moment and then smiled. "I have an idea," he said. He looked around and found a long stick on the ground. Carefully, he used the stick to reach up and gently push the balloon out of the branches. The balloon floated free again, and Emma clapped her hands in excitement. But before she could grab the string, a sudden gust of wind carried it higher into the sky. Emma sighed. "I guess it's really gone now," she said, feeling sad. Her dad knelt down and said, "Sometimes we have to say goodbye to things we love. But guess what? We can always remember them and be happy for the time we had." Emma smiled a little and nodded. "Okay, Daddy." As they walked back home, Emma saw another stand selling balloons. This time, her dad bought her a blue balloon. Emma held the string tightly and said, "I won't let go of this one." Her dad laughed and said, "That's my girl." The end. Let's go over some keywords from today's story. Balloon, a light, colorful object filled with air or gas. The balloon floated in the sky. Gentle, soft or mild, not rough. The breeze was gentle and cool. String, a thin piece of material used for tying or holding things. The balloon string slipped from her hand. Drift, to move slowly without control. The balloon drifted away with the wind. Great job! Try listening to the story again and see if you can hear these words. Thank you for listening to today's story, The Lost Balloon. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a story. See you next time.